There's Haley Bear riding Daddy's vintage Swin Sting. Looking cool, Hey Bear. What a rad bike. And is that Mama Bear? Is that Mama Bear on her bike?
Yes. I gotta focus. Stop getting so close to me. Gotta focus on my riding over there.
Yes, you do. And those shoes, wow. And Sammy Bear. Right side car.
Hey.
Sam. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Can we go to the end?
Let's see those two front teeth.
Can we go to the end?
The end where?
The end.
Oh, you want to go in the dirt?
Yes. No dirt.
No dirt. Mommy says no dirt today.
No. I want to get Daddy's new bike dirty.
That's right.
No. Next round.
And who's that back there? Is that the Dill weed whacker? The Dill.
Daddy, next
Yeah, let's see you pump it, baby. Pump, pump, pump.